Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Liza and today what I'm going to be doing for you is a Bratz inspired makeup, hair and outfit for you guys. So if you want to see or if you're interested to see how I transformed into a Bratz doll, then keep on watching.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Okay, so now the eyebrows are done, let's go on to eyeshadow. Okay, so firstly, you can't do eyeshadow, I feel like, and get the best results without, oopsie, that was a bit too much, without putting concealer on your eyelids. And then blending that out with any sponge. I feel like it's being overexposed right now. So I'm going to be using this palette by Revolution, and I'm going to start off with putting this colour 21 all over my lids. So today is going to be a nice fun look, like loads of colours, like bright colours I mean, because I feel like that's what Bratz dolls were like, you know, they had bold like blues and pinks and purples and green even. So I'm just here to experiment and have a good time experimenting and being a Bratz doll. And I'm just using a fluffy brush to like smudge this everywhere. Like, you don't need to be neat with this. If you can see the setup I have right now, like it's a madness right now, like having mirrors like there to see what I'm doing, and then having my phone on a tripod and having a mirror behind it to see if I'm in frame. Like, whew, it is a lot. And honestly, I've had better days when my eyebrows do look better, and today my eyebrows don't even look like sisters. So let's just ignore that right now and just focus on other things. Like, oh my god, it's Christmas soon. Okay, I just got interrupted because someone tried calling me. I hope they don't call again, otherwise it's gonna cut off again. I want the James Charles palette so bad. Like I want the yellow. I think it's because all the yellows that I have in like different palettes look ashy and there's no pigment in there anyway, so I want the James Charles palette. Santa, if you're hearing this, I want the James Charles Morphe palette for Christmas and my life will be complete. So now let's attempt a cut crease. I don't know how high up I want this cut crease to be. Maybe to there. So I'm gonna mix, where are you? I'm gonna mix these two shades to get a dark purple. Wait, where? What did I just point at? I mean these two shades to get a dark purple. I think that's the most intense I'm gonna get from this palette. Like, if I had the James Charles palette, I'm sure the purple would stand out more. But this is the most intense. I think like this is the deepest colour it's gonna go. And then I'm gonna get this brush again to just blend out the edges. and like here, so it's not like a rough. Okay, so now for the pain of my life, eyeliner. So because I'm gonna do lashes, I'm gonna try and make them my eyeliner quite thick. So now that my eyeshadow is done, since you guys already know like my routine of like doing everything, so I'm gonna shut off the camera and then like do my makeup as normal. The only thing that will be different is the foundation that I'm using. So today I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, and this is in the colour 76 Deep 76 Warm, and this is definitely my winter colour. Like, I can't get away with this during the summer because it's just looking messy. But because I'm paler now and haven't got much colour, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. Where's my freaking sponge? Why is the camera overexposing me? Anyways, let's get back onto the eyes again. And using these two purple shades to put like underneath my eyes. I'm gonna do lashes for this look because I feel like Bratz, their eyes were very bold, so, and had loads of volume, so I'm gonna put some eyelashes on that. Okay, let's try this. Uh-oh. I forgot I'm using these lashes. And they're in the style D22 from AliExpress. It was only $2, so mink lashes for $2. I'm the plug. Oopsie. Okay, so now that the eyes are completed, so I'm gonna do the lips and then we'll get on to the hair. Purple. Ooh, that could go, or should I use pink? I think I'm gonna go with the purple, but I don't know how that's gonna look. Do I want matte? Do the Bratz? Sometimes they have matte, sometimes they have gloss. I don't know if I want to do a matte lip or gloss. I don't know. Let me put on my straight wig first and then I'll make the decision whether I want to put gloss or not. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is the completed look. I decided to go with a matte lip because, you know, feeling the matte lip look. So this is the end of this tutorial. So do I look like a Bratz doll? Do I look like a bad bee? I'm joking. But if you liked this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you want to see me recreate more looks like this. It was a lot of fun, like being creative and like going with the makeup look, the hair and the outfit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you stay to the end, then you have a special place in my heart. Yeah, that's all for me. So this is the Bratz look. yeah, so the eyelashes are very dramatic, but you know, Bratz are very dramatic. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.